Liz Truss officially resigns as the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom. The UK have been struggling ever since global inflation and the Russian-Ukraine war, and her government policies put the final nail in the coffin. So what are the reasons behind the shortest government tenure in the history of the United Kingdom? During her tenure, the Great Britain pound crashed and hit a record all-time low. And for that, two policies are to be blamed. Number one, the energy price guarantee. She introduced this policy on 8 September and this policy was aimed to cap the energy price per household to a certain level. To fulfill that promise, the UK government had to take 100 billion pounds in government borrowings in the form of government debt and government bonds. And you are right, those decisions would have skyrocketed the inflation. And we all know, inflation बढ़ता है, so the cost of everything we use in our daily life increases. The second policy, introduced by the Finance Minister on 23rd September, was a tax deduction policy, which was aimed to reduce the pressure of tax on everyone. But the policy would have actually reduced the pressure of tax on only the privileged and the rich by almost 2 times. And to fulfill that policy, the UK government had to borrow another $45 billion. Now, because of these bad decisions, the UK economy have been falling week after week after week. So now after resignation, the UK media has said that a new government will be elected within a week. So will the new government or the UK economy will fall even below? What are your thoughts? Please write down in the comments. And like always, see you in the next video. Follow Finance for such finance related topics. Until then, peace.